I don't have a problem. Do you have a problem? Check this out. Actually, look at this mess. Look at this mess. I installed this 21 years ago, and look at it. It looks like a mess. So I wanted to make this video for all the unemployed plumbers that I see in the comments sections on various videos. What I'd like to know is how many years have your plumbing jobs lasted? This friggin' mess is 21 years old and it's still not leaking. Still not leaking. Look at it. It looks like something from Frankenstein, for goodness sakes. So, I am an expert plumber, so if you need any plumbing done, give me a call and I'll hook you up. You'll have a nice 2022. Take care.